Hey guys, this is Freedom Mix. Starting. The fireworks! Woo! Woo! Guys. Boom. Oh, that one was nice. Yeah, that one was good with the purple.
They were like both set up
green and
purple.
Whoa. Whoa. Hey guys, it's Freedom 6, and I'm at my grandpa's house. Some more fireworks.
We bent them differently.
And Daddy, Daddy, hold my camera so I can show them this fire.
All right, that's what we're doing next. You want me to fold it differently? It flies better.
Really?
Yeah.
But mine's been flying good.
Guess what we're doing next?
That big thing.
Bomb.
Can someone point a light at it so I can see it, so my viewers can see it? No, like a light. Yes, I barely have any views. Yep, that's what we're doing next.
Ah! What kind of scream was that?
I don't know. Oh, look at that. Sorry, my 4th of July video. Well, it's still 4th of July, but the fireworks were cut off because my iPod died, so. Okay, now can you hold this?
I can.
So, what did you turn this into?
Something better than it was.
Okay, well, I hope that's right.
All right, we'll turn your light on.
Hey guys, it's Freedom Mix again. You can start it now. Here we go.
Run!
We're starting the big finale.
What are we looking at?
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Woo! Woo!
I'm about to get hit.
Woo! Get 3-degree burn. Woo! 3rd-degree burns, everybody. Woo!
I tell you to back up.
Woo!
Geniuses and get time.
Woo! Woo!
Things.
Woo!
Why you gotta fall?
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Be so thankful my mom did not pull up when this.
Woo!
She literally was just.
Ho, ho, ho! Okay, guys, that was the finale. See you guys all later. Peace.
Well, she has a couple of these.
Things like
Peace
that.
out.